Which means that no matter who can be going to any sangoma anywhere, no matter who can be wheresoever, invoking some spirits against your life, no matter how much your enemy, when you tell God that there is no other God but you, oh Lord, there's no other God but you, you just tell him and you say, my Father, you are the way, you are the light, oh Jesus. There's no other God but you. There's no other God but you, Jesus. Maragloja Sirika Bratus. You are the way in my troubles, my Father. You are the way in the situation that I'm facing. There is nobody that is like you. Marabala Concha Frescos. There's nobody. Now imagine you are telling God all of that. Just imagine you are telling God all of that. That there's nobody like you.